How do you use a menstrual cup? When you use your menstrual cup for the first time, you'll need to trim the stem so that it fits you properly. So what you'll do is you'll insert the menstrual cup, and any part of the stem which is protruding out from your vagina, you'll need to snip so that it makes it nice and comfortable when you're wearing it. So how do we insert a menstrual cup? There are three main folds that you can use. The first is a C-fold, where you will squeeze the cup together and then fold it over. This decreases the size of the cup so that you can insert it more easily. The next fold is a 7-fold. So again, you'll need to squeeze the cup together, and then what you'll do is fold one corner down to the middle of the cup so that it makes a 7 shape. The last fold is called a punch down. So what you'll do is you'll just push on one side of the cup and push it inside. And again, that makes the cup much smaller to be able to insert. Once the cup has been inserted, it will pop open back into its original shape, and it will create a seal around the top inside your vagina. If the cup is very uncomfortable, this probably means that you have inserted it incorrectly. So remove the cup and try and insert again. This can take some practice, so give yourself some time to do it and to work out how to make it comfortable for you. When the menstrual cup is inserted properly, you shouldn't actually be able to feel it. To remove the cup, you'll need to insert your fingers inside your vagina to feel for the bottom of the cup. Give it a gentle squeeze and this will release the seal of the cup. Then you'll need to gently remove the cup from out of your vagina. Once you've taken it out, just empty the contents down the toilet. It's natural to feel unsure about trying something new. So if you want to, try it at home first, and you could even try and use the menstrual cup when you're not on your period so that you don't have to deal with the blood. The great thing about a menstrual cup is that you can double up with it. So you could wear a pair of period pants or a pad with it to give you confidence.